Hi everyone, welcome back to Spark Plugin's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go through some of our favorite summary block customizations. To access the entire list, you can click the link in the caption. So let's get to it. I am on our blog post with the summary block customizations, and as always, you can access this blog post by going to the caption, and I'll have the link in there so you can look through all of them, since I'm just going to go through some of my favorites. So as we scroll down, you can see here, we even talk about the summary block customizations, what they are, how to add them, and we even have some more tips over here. So if you want to check out this blog post again, you can click the link in the caption. So one of the first customizations I want to go through is how to add a clickable call to action to your images, and you can do this to your summary blocks. And this one uses inset lists and carousels by Spark Plugin. So I'm going to go over to the demo site over here, and as you can see, there's a few different options on what you could do to your summary block. We even have a live demo here showing you what it could look like. It's very simple but effective, and it creates this like engaging effect on your website. Next one is adding an image card to your summary images. Again, it's very simple, but it makes it stand out a bit. And again, this is requiring no code. It's with Spark Plugin, and we have it with our card list and carousels customization. And there's a live demo here on how it looks like. It's a nice clean card, and you can customize it completely from the color, the border, the shadow, whatever you'd like, the button. It's fully customizable. You can do honestly whatever you want, and you don't need any code at all. And I mentioned a button, and you can add a custom call to action button to your summary block, and you can do this with Spark Plugin. And I know we're starting off with Spark Plugin customizations, but it's because they are really easy. They're all in one spot. Might be a little bit biased. It just makes customizing your Squarespace website so efficient. And as you see here in the live demo, there's a few options of button styles. And again, you can fully customize these to whatever color, size, font, whatever it is you'd like without using any code. Okay, this next one is really cool, and it's applying a summary filter to your summary block. So let's say you have like 30 items showing, and you want visitors to be able to select what they want, whether it's a certain theme or topic or whatever it is. And this one is by Squarespace, and this is their demo site for this, and they show exactly how it works. You can add different filters, and it'll show different summary blocks. Another really cool one is hiding your summary blocks on mobile. Let's just say you don't want it to show on mobile because it doesn't make sense. You can do so with Spark Plugin's block visibility customization, and you can even show certain things that you want just on mobile or on desktop with this customization. And there's a live demo here, so I'm going to try to show it to you. Of course, right now we're on desktop, but if I make the screen smaller to mobile size, we don't have that block anymore. And then when we make it bigger, the block comes back. Now, the next one is really cool because you can add more items to your summary block than Squarespace allows. So Squarespace allows you to have 30, but this customization allows you to increase it to 250, which is really cool. So let's go on their demo site. This is by Square Websites. You can purchase this, and you can add more items to your summary blocks from 30 to up to 250, which is very convenient. And they have a little bit more on the customization here that I won't really go through, but it looks like it's very easy to upload, which we love. Another really cool one is managing the date on the summary block, and you can do this with this customization here. So this is by Beyond Space. You can choose your date format, whatever you want it to be. You can even do a custom one, and then you can obviously choose by default which language it will be. And then there is this code over here. So this looks free, so you don't have to pay for it. You can just add this yourself. And everything you need to know is in this blog post. And once again, you can access it with the link in the caption. And there you have it, a few of our favorite summary block customizations. If you want to access this list and play around with the customizations yourself, go ahead and click the link in our caption. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.